According to society, I should be a failure. I am a woman. I am Black. I was born into poverty. I do not have a GED. You cannot tell me that you cannot earn more. It happens up here first.
I want to introduce this class, Stop Underearning, how to use your feminine energy to make more money. If you are an under-earner, it means you make less than you want to make or less than you are capable of making.
There's nothing wrong with anything that a woman wants to do, and you should earn more. How much you earn has nothing to do with the fact that you could have a degree or 10, you could be married or not. You could be sleeping on somebody's couch right now watching and taking this course.
The world out there that you think limits you, we promise you that is not what is limiting you. We've both been able to do this because of the way that we've changed our minds.
Yes.
And there's no doubt in my mind that everyone on this call can do the same. I want us to know how much money we want to make so we can ask for it. As a woman, I can earn as much money as I would like to and as I am capable of earning with not one apology.
Explore it, feel it, and let this be the year that you really come into who you are, understanding the power you hold, understanding your natural born influence. There was no strategy that can overcome a person's disbelief in themselves.